What's up, you guys? Donnie from Racing and Development, and we're in Downey, California at the 4th Annual Kiwanis Car Show. We're here in the parking lot. We're gonna walk around, check it out, bring you some video. Let's go.
All right. Yeah, you do like full restoration. Yeah. I don't need that much. Let's try to do it. This is our last.
Whenever you guys are looking for a really high quality part, blower belt drives, blower scoops, accessories, especially belt guards, go to Rad. They got the coolest stuff ever. This is going to be my next purchase. It's going to be on here probably next week.
It's a crazy contraption here on a Pontiac.
Happiness, her own little son, maybe Johnny be good. Gonna make a motion picture out in Hollywood. Bye-bye.
We're sitting here with Don Hampton. How you doing, bud?
I'm doing fine.
What do you got out here today?
I got my old top fuel dragster out here. The one I was running in the 60s and the early 70s. I restored it. So I take it to car shows and stuff and then fire them up for the people. They love it. So, you know.
Very nice.
Keeps me in with it, everybody. I still have my blower business.
Okay, how's that going?
Fine.
Good, good.
I started in 1957 and still doing it. I work 7 days a week.
I hear ya. Don't we all? Are we gonna fire it up today?
Well,
probably won't let you in the residential area, huh?
Well, let's put it this way. I think we're gonna.
Okay, sounds good, man. Man, it was a pleasure talking with you.
Nice talking with you.
Stay out of the heat. It's warm today.
That's why I'm here.
Perfect. Thanks, Don.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Yeah. Get back. Back up. That's good. Back up, guys. Back up.
off front here.